How to join a channel membership on YouTube Mobile. First thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your YouTube application. So channel membership are a feature on YouTube that allows you to have exclusive access to different contents on different channels. So in order to join a channel membership, what you need to do is find a channel that you want to join membership from, and you just want to have to tap on that channel, and you could also just search for it. Now once you find the channel, what you need to do is you have to know that the channel owner should have turned on the membership for you to it be visible. And if you don't see the join button, then it's probably most likely that it's not available on your region yet, or the channel membership has not been turned on. So if you see the join button, so go ahead and tap on join. And once you get to the membership option, you'll be able to see different kind of options. So there might be different tiers with different pricing. All you have to do is find the tier of your choice that you want to join. So the more it costs, the more features and the more services you're gonna get. So there are gonna be more perks. So just tap on the one that you want to join. And once you've done that, you could just click on join, and you're gonna have to add your payment details, and you should be able to join the channel membership. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.